Charming two-story home in the much-desired neighborhood of Atlantic Estates. This impeccably maintained home features 3 ensuites and a plethora of amenities. Boasting hardwood floors, dual-zone air conditioner/heat, impact windows and doors, gorgeous kitchen, high ceilings crown molding, and valuable off-street parking. Quaint bonus room can be used for a sitting room, office or sleeping quarters. The open floor plan concept is perfect for entertaining, with French doors leading to the sun-drenched swimming pool and rear deck entertaining area. Living room is comfortably appointed with great views of the outdoor tropical gardens.